Hey, you look excited today. What is going on?
Of course, my New Year is coming soon, and today I'm going to take you on a journey to explore one of the most beautiful and meaningful festivals in Cambodia. Khmer New Year, also known as Cholឆ្នាំថ្មី is the most important traditional festival in Cambodia. It usually takes place in mid-April and lasts for 3 days. This festival marks the end of old year and the beginning of a new one based on the traditional solar calendar. For Cambodian people, this is not just a holiday. It is a time for family reunion, spiritual reflection, and joyful celebration. People who work or study in cities often travel back to their hometowns to celebrate with their families. Before the new year begins, families prepare in many ways. They clean their homes carefully, decorate their houses, and prepare food. This tradition is very meaningful because cleaning symbolizes removing bad luck, negative energy, and problems from the past year. It also represents welcoming happiness and good fortune and a fresh start. The first day is called Moha Songkran, which marks the official beginning of the new year. On this day, people dress in traditional clothes and visit pagodas. They bring offerings such as food, fruits, candles, and incense sticks to monks. This activity is known as making merit, and it is believed to bring peace, happiness, and good luck in the coming year. You will also see many people praying and showing respect in a calm and peaceful atmosphere. The second day is called Virya Vanabat, and it focuses on family and kindness. People spend time with their loved ones, visit relatives, and sometimes help the poor or donate to those in need. This day teaches important values such as generosity, compassion, and gratitude. It is also a time to strengthen family relationships and create happy memories together. The third day is the most exciting and energetic day. It is called Virya Langsa. On this day, people participate in traditional games such as Chao Chung, Lek Kon Sai, and tug of war. But the most famous activity is water splashing. People throw water at each other in the streets, in parks, and even at home. This is not just for fun. Water symbolizes purification. It washes away bad luck and brings a fresh, positive start for the new year. Another beautiful tradition during Khmer New Year is honoring elders. Young people pour water gently onto the heads of their parents and grandparents. This act shows respect, gratitude, and a request for blessings. In return, elders give advice, blessings, and good wishes for the future. In conclusion, Khmer New Year is more than just a festival. It is a celebration of culture, family, tradition, and new beginnings. So if you ever visit Cambodia in April, remember one thing. Be ready because you will not stay dry. Happy Khmer New Year.